Welcome. In front of me I have JBL clip-free wireless speaker, and today I will show you how easy you can hard reset this speaker. So at first you have to turn on your speaker. You can spot it when the indicator is in the white color. So right now it's turned on. And to reset this speaker, you have to use these buttons, the volume up and the Bluetooth button. So let's press and hold these buttons for like 10 seconds. And take a look on the indicator. So click and hold it at the same time. Now just wait, keep holding. And right now release. As you can see, it just turned it off. And that's how we can basically hard reset your wireless speaker. All settings was restored to the default, and right now we can simply turn it on by tapping on the power button. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.